to my channel. Yes, I know the light is too bright. I can't do anything about it right now. Welcome back guys to my channel. Let's get into today's video, today's vlog. Okay guys, so today is my son's birthday. So this video, this vlog is all about his birthday. So right now we are in the kitchen making some jollof rice. My daughter Precious, obviously she likes to bake. She's doing some baking over there. So the two of us are in the kitchen plus her sister who is watching us cook. Okay guys, so we are just going to be showing you guys what we are up to. We already have a birthday cake which we are going to show you guys later in the vlog, okay, later in the video. Okay, so the birthday boy is somewhere. Okay, so it's my son, okay, that is celebrating his 20th birthday today. So we are just doing something small for him. We are going to take some pictures later. Not a lot of pictures, maybe 1 or 2, 3 pictures. Okay guys, so normally what we do is we just celebrate it at home with ourselves. Okay, yeah, so that's what we are up to in this video. So this video is mainly about his birthday, our cooking, preparation of the food, and eating and cutting the cake. Okay guys, so that's what is going to be happening in this video. Please, you guys should wish him happy birthday in the comment section. All right guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's why I'm looking all dressed up. Well, I'm normally dressed. Normally I like to wake up in the morning, shower and dressed. That's me once I finish my morning things. Yeah, okay guys, so let's show you guys what we are preparing. Precious is making some cake, I think. I'll show you guys anyway. Okay, so Precious is over there. Me, I'm over here trying to wash the rice. Okay, but I'm going to quickly eat something. My yogurt. Jiro, give me my yogurt there because I haven't eaten today. So before this jollof rice we cook, let me have my yogurt because I'm feeling a bit hungry now. So guys, that's what we are doing. Let me bring the camera down so you guys can see what we are up to over here. As I say, Precious is doing some cupcake. Isn't that what you are baking? Yeah, she's baking some cupcake. Why me? I'm going to be making some jollof rice, okay guys, and then we are going to be cooking some chicken that we already got from you know, you guys know me now. I normally get my cooked chicken from Iceland, so I just throw it in the what do you call it again, oven. It's quick, sharp, fast, no time to be seasoning and breaking body for anything. Okay, so that's what we are doing guys. I would have put some music, but the problem is copyright. If I start playing music now, copyright might not allow me to publish it. Can I please have the hot water? Why don't you take, let me give you a spoon to scoop that in, or use your spatula. Use the soft spatula to scoop it out properly. Yes, your soft spatula. Yeah, you to scoop it into the bowl properly. That's how you do it. Do you still need hot water? You scoop it out of there. Okay guys, so some part of the video we are going to have to fast forward it so that the video is not too long. Okay guys. Hey guys, that is the birthday boy. He's trying to open his cake. Please bring the cake out gently. Our jollof rice is cooked. I'll show you guys. He's bringing his cake out. Yeah, guys. Rachel, do you want to say hello to the vlog? Say happy birthday. Gabriel, Jiro, where are you guys? We bring it out, good boy. Okay. We are trying to wipe off some mess here. Come, put it on top of that. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there for now. Say happy birthday to Blessing Boy. Happy birthday, dear Blessing Boy. Have you guys to sing for him now? I'll say happy birthday, Blessing.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Blessing.
Do the stand over here so that the camera can take us like a thumbnail. Can cut your cake. Beep. No. Here. Don't divide it into two. You are cutting it. You cut it here, okay? Well done. That's it. Well done. No, we are not sharing it yet. That's it. Well done. Yeah, you guys say happy birthday to him.
Happy birthday.
Blessing.
Happy birthday, Blessing. Gabriel, say happy birthday to him. Gabriel, you don't want people to say happy birthday to you on your birthday.
Just happy birthday.
Okay, guys. So the birthday boy has cut his cake. Quite in a hurry to cut it. Okay. So we've cut our cake. That's the cake here. So we are going to be eating our rice. That's the cake, guys. Jiro is over there. She doesn't want to sit down. Alright, so we are going to be eating rice. And then we are going to eat. My face is over here. So we are going to eat rice. And then we are going to eat the cake later. Okay? Alright, guys. Okay, guys. So this is the jollof rice. It's looking tempting. Okay, so that's our birthday jollof rice, guys. Come and join us. We are eating here. Jiro and Gabriel, they are not ready to eat yet. So the three of us are just going to eat our birthday rice. Let's move the camera a bit so you guys can see us eat our birthday rice. Let's wish my son a happy birthday. He's celebrating his 20th birthday today. You can only be 20 once. You can't be 20 twice. So I decided to just do this video vlog just for him. Yeah. So because he's 20 today. Okay, guys. So we are eating. As you can see, precious. Yeah. Okay, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Comment, share it. Subscribe if you enjoy watching. Okay, guys, come and join us eat. Thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate you all. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share it for entertainment. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Let's enjoy our food. Thanks guys. Bye. Come and join us.